Hey and welcome back to another episode of Just Call Me Josie. Today it is actually time for yet another Project Pan finale. I just recently uploaded my Panda palette finale, so I will leave it up here if you haven't seen it already. But today it is time for my Running on Empty Project Pan finale, so that is very exciting. So today we are of course going to take a look at the final progress that I made throughout this project. I only have two little lonely products left that we are going to take a closer look at. First and foremost, I have to say that I've been having so much fun project panning throughout these last 6 months. I've had two projects running and they have been my first project pans ever, and it has been quite challenging and it hasn't gone quite as well as I maybe thought it would. I personally almost see it like a little game where I want to win and succeed at it, and I find it really rewarding as well as really challenging at the same time. So a good little mixture, and I think that is why I enjoy it so much. So even though I didn't end up finishing up all of my products, as you will see in a little bit, I still had a lot of fun and I enjoyed myself, and that is the most important. So I am definitely going to be starting up new project pans for 2019. So I started this project about 6 months ago and I started out with 8 products in total. None of them were brand new, hence the project name Running on Empty. Yes, it was in there, just hidden away a little bit. First up was the Milani foundation. That one went really quickly because I use that every single day. And I also finished up the Too Faced eyeshadow primer potion, I was gonna say, but that is the wrong company. That one took forever. Also used up the Eyeko Black Magic Mascara. Mascaras I find rather easy to finish up, probably one of the easiest products. Yeah, the parts that I finished the most in my collection are definitely foundation, concealer, brow products and mascaras. Those I run through rather quickly, whereas the other stuff pretty much never happens, to be honest. Also finished up the Makeup Geek contour pan. Those do not contain that much gram. I believe they're about 4-ish grams maybe, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I mean, still 4 grams is 4 grams, so not too shabby. Also sort of finished up the Makeup Geek Creme Brulee eyeshadow pan. If you haven't seen my latest update, you'll know the little mishap I had with that shade. Oh, and we also had the Colourpop Super Shock shadow in the shade Lovely, which is probably one of my favorite shades from Colourpop ever. It is a light champagne with loads of sparkle in it. That one unfortunately went bad on me, so I did decide to take it out of the product completely and declutter it from a collection because it smelled real bad and I didn't want to put that around my eyes anymore, unfortunately. So yeah, that was really sad, but I had to make a tougher choice. One good thing that I find about the project panning also is that I feel like I am very sort of on top of my makeup collection. I know what is going on. I have control over my products. I notice if something goes bad. I notice if I really don't like a product and I want to declutter it. And I notice also if something that I really love that I may have neglected and fallen back in love with. So yeah, I feel like it is a great way to figure out a lot of things about your collection. So then that leaves us with 2 products that I didn't quite make it on. And the first one is this setting spray from Cover FX. This is the illuminating setting spray. And we also have the Mary Lou Balmerizer. No, that did not go great. Oh my god, I don't need to look at it. I know this. This is the Balm Mary Luminizer highlighter. Jesus Christ. So this is what Mary Luminizer is looking like right now, and I have to say I feel like it went the quickest the last couple of months, weirdly enough. Maybe that's not weird at all, I don't know, but it definitely did. I feel like I made a lot more progress. I had just hit side pan in the last update, I believe, and now I have expanded the pan quite a bit. So I'm really excited about that, but unfortunately, as you can tell, there is still a lot of product hanging down there in that corner, just chilling, waiting for me to put it on my face, but I didn't quite have time to do so. I only have 1 face and 2 cheeks. I did also use it a lot on my inner corners. This is one of the best inner corner highlighters in my opinion. It just brightens up really well. I do have it on today and I absolutely love it for that purpose. I'm definitely going to keep on trudging. Is trudging even a word? I'm gonna keep on trying to finish this one up. I feel like it would be such a shame to stop here. Why not keep going, am I right? So yeah, I'll let you know if I one day do empty out this pan completely, but unfortunately not for this finale. And that leaves us with the Cover FX setting spray, and I do not understand how I thought that I would even remotely come close to finishing this one up. And then I made some itty bitty progress along the way. Then I did a bigger jump the last update, where I started to just go ham with these sprays, even though this doesn't really suit this particular product because it's so shimmery, and building up shimmer on your face just makes you look even more shimmery, believe it or not. So yeah, not the best idea, but that's what I did, and I looked real dewy. I was just pretty much over it, to be honest, but I did manage to make a little bit more progress that way. And then we finally have the last line that is down to here, so I still have a ways to go. It does have a 12 months shelf life, so that is good. They do give a little bit of leeway to finish this bottle, but I have definitely had it for more than 12 months, so being a little bit of a turtle is kind of my thing. Like I said in my Panda palette update, I am not someone that wears makeup every day by any means. I do like to let my skin breathe once in a while, especially on the weekends, and this is not something that I would go in with typically to spray on my bare face, since it does contain that shimmery particle stuff in it. I feel like it is definitely more of a makeup product than a skincare type of spray that you could use on an everyday basis. So for those reasons, this one has definitely taken me a lot longer to go through. Definitely looking for more of a true type of a dewy spray for the next one that I'm committing to after this one. I am, however, on a low buy throughout this entire year, by the way. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it up here. That is my intro for my low buy year. And yeah, so I have to also be careful with the products I pick up. And now it is, of course, time to start up another project pan for 2019. Now the only project pan that I know of, because I'm not that in with the kids, is the 9 in 2019. But if you have any other suggestions on any project pans that I could jump on, definitely let me know in the comments. Otherwise, there will be a 9 in 2019 starting up shortly. And yeah, that is it for this project pan finale. Thank you guys so much for watching and following along with this series, and hopefully I will see you in my next project pan series. Do feel free to subscribe, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Take care until next time. Bye!